we're in the friendship room at the Poinsett Club.
Isn't it great?
I feel very friendly.
Yeah.
Now I do, because you know what? These drinks are
They don't have enough liquor in the drinks at the Poinsett Club.
That ain't nowhere.
Nowhere.
Do
You
they
can't.
do it. It's not
You
Poinsett
always
Club.
have to go to Boharens to get your liquor before you go anywhere. And
I
then
so miss mini bottles.
I do
You
too,
knew
because
what
you
you
could
were
hide
getting.
them in your
Oh,
purse.
no.
You could hide them in your pockets. You could put them anywhere.
Oh, good.
Cheers.
Mhm.
Happy Halloween.
Happy
October.
Happy
Oktoberfest. Don't those Germans love to drink beer? Oktoberfest.
It makes me sweat.
And now I'm sweating like a whore in church. I just cannot help it.
We're delighted to be
Yeah,
here. We
we
love
are.
football.
Oh,
We love
Lord.
leaves falling. We love falling down ourselves.
We fall down a lot, but that's good. We keep the economy going because we always have to go to the doctor's office.
And now there's the Bon Secours help. What is it?
Bon
Secours.
Secours. We
Well-
call it the BS. It's the BS.
The BS Arena.
It's a BS arena.
Bon Secours Wellness Center.
Isn't that cute?
It's like the Greenville Health System.
Why?
It's not a hospital.
No, it's a health
It's
system.
a wellness system.
Go ahead. I don't understand. All I know is they ride bicycles.
And they have that. It's where they have wrestling and ACDC.
What does that have to do with being a
I
hospital?
don't know. It's lovely.
It is lovely.
It's just part of the wonder of
What
Greenville.
happened? Did Bilo lose all their money?
I guess.
I don't understand.
I don't either.
When-
But we're delighted to be here, and we're thinking about what we're going to be for Halloween. I'm thinking about this. What do y'all think?
I'm thinking we'll be a porn star.
He looks a little bit like like that Dos Equis guy.
He does, only ugly and sweaty. And I hear he smells like dandruff. Cheers.
Show and tell.
Yeah, yeah. Bye-bye.